guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a glitter cut crease coral pink eye look. If you want to know how I got this look,
keep watching.
So first you want to start off with your eyeshadow primer. This is going to set a base and help your shadows to blend well. You want to press that all over your lid and just blend into the skin. The one I'm using is tinted so that the colors I'm using really pop. And now that you look crazy as hell, you want to start with your palette. And this is the Huda palette. I'm going to use this yellow color first. And this shade, I'm going to build it up into my crease and up a little bit on the brow bone. It's going to be a transition color, so it's going to help the deeper colors I'm going to use into my crease blend a lot better and have it more of a smoked out look. So next with this orange color, I'm going to put that right into the dip of your crease. And this is adding dimension and really giving you that smoked out look. So next, that deeper kind of peachy color, same thing right into the crease and smoking it out. You don't want to bring it too high. And then you want to go with that hot pink color right into that outer corner. You want to concentrate it and blend it out and just keep blending it. That's really the key. Blend it a little bit into the crease, but not too much. And you want to do that on the other side. So now that I'm almost done blending out that hot pink, I'm gonna go back with the primer and a flat concealer brush, and I'm gonna cut that crease. So putting it all over my lid, right up to the crease, but not higher, and just blend it out to the edge. You don't want to cover up that hot pink on the outer corner. So once I'm done doing that on both eyes, I'm going to go ahead with my Violet Voss glitter. This is in the shade Cosmic. And I'm just going to press that all over where I just cut the crease. So right over top of that primer. So once I'm done with that step, I like to let it dry. And then I'm going to go with my Huda palette with this pink glitter and pop that right on top to give it more of that like warm pink kind of color. Then I'm going to go back with that mini Huda palette, go back with those crease colors and just intensify the crease and the depth. As you can see, blending is really the key to get that smoked out look. And I'm just intensifying the crease, and I'm going to pop a little bit more of that yellow right onto the brow bone. Now I'm going to use my Perversion Brush Tip Liner by Urban Decay, and I'm lining right above my lash line. I'm going to do a little baby wing. Now with the new Huda liner, I'm going to use the pencil side and fill in my waterline at the top and bottom. Next, I'm going to use the Milk Lash Primer. I love this primer so much. And now I'm going to use the NARS Climax Mascara. This is going to build length and volume. So now I'm going to do the under eye with the same shadows and mascara. Finally, lashes. I'm using the Lily lashes in the style Barcelona. I love the way these look. Now to finish the look, I'm just adding a little highlight and gloss. And there you go. The look is complete.
thank you so much for watching my video. Do not forget to like and comment, and also comment maybe some looks you'd like to see me do. Subscribe for my future videos. Thank you. Bye.